In just a few minutes in the air fryer, you will have an amazing bread every single day at your home that you can eat with your whole family. It's super easy to make. Never buy bread anymore because you can do your bread in your air fryer at home. Just look how delicious it is. So in a bowl, let's put 3 eggs, 5 tablespoons of sugar, and let's mix everything very well. Don't hurry, take your time. Add 10 grams of dry yeast. Mix everything. Now let's add 250 milliliters of milk, 3 tablespoons of butter, and mix it all. Now let's add little by little 6 cups of flour and mix it well every time. Go adding a little by little, mixing it, because it will depend on the brand of your flour. Be sure that this dough is not dry. Don't forget to put a good pinch of salt. Again, enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Now let's put it on the counter with flour to knead this dough and let it even more smooth. Here we are going to knead it this way for 5 minutes. This way your dough will be very fluffy. Now let's let it rest until it doubles the size. Here our dough rested about 30 minutes. And now let's shape our bread. Here I'm making to big bread this way. As you can see on the video, there's no secret. Then you just have to put it in the air fryer, which is super easy, right? Now with the roll, let's open it very well. And then roll it with our fingers. Let's let it rest for more 30 minutes inside of the air fryer. And then let's brush 1 egg yolk before turning it on. Now I sprinkle 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds. 35 minutes to 160 degrees Celsius. When it's a little bit brown on the top, that means it's done. And my tip for you, wait for the bread to be cold before eating it. Just take a look at this bread. It is incredible delicious. Cut it in slices. Seriously, there's nothing better than that. It's the best recipe ever and easy to make.